Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So let's take a look at what Solana has done since yesterday. Not much. I mean, pulled back a little bit. That was not unexpected. We talk about that in a minute. We are holding currently the Sunday low, which is critical for following this direct upside continuation pattern that I'm tracking in the orange scenario, which is currently the leading scenario. So there are two wave counts that I'm tracking. The yellow one suggests that a B wave might have topped already. If you've been watching the videos over the last few days, maybe even 1 or 2 weeks, then you know that this pattern does exist. It allows for the wave B in yellow to be complete. And I consider that a WXY pattern. And yeah, the B wave could be complete, but a WXY is not the most trustworthy pattern. Therefore, I don't trust it. And it requires additional evidence. So basically, I need a break below $147.70 minimally to really confirm that the B wave has topped. Better would be a break below the red invalidation line of the yellow of the orange count at around $137.50. So for now, I'm observing the yellow count, but I'm also observing the support area for the orange count, which is currently my preferred scenario. And therefore, I give the bulls at the moment, at least short term, the benefit of the doubt. And I'm going with the orange count because this is based on an ABC structure or maybe even something more bullish. But that cannot be confirmed yet. Let's first see if we invalidate the yellow scenario, which would require a break above around about $189, that recent B wave top. For now, I'm tracking just a WXY structure to the upside here in yellow wave B, and but I don't trust that. So primarily it's the orange count. In the yellow count, if we break below those support levels I just mentioned, then it should send the price eventually down into the $109 region, maybe a little lower, yeah. But for now, this is not what I'm primarily watching for. No, instead, I'm looking at a more extended B wave rally at least, which indicates A wave, B wave, and then the C wave could be an ending diagonal. We already completed an initial 1-2 setup, A, B, and the C wave is still outstanding of wave 3, then get a 4 and a 5. This is sort of how it could roll, yeah, in the orange count. What that means is that we're currently in a B wave. Maybe it's completed. That's what this support area is for. Wave B of 3 after wave A of 3 finished on the 20th of May. As I said, this could be a B wave pullback. It did reach the 50% fib level. So one of the fib levels that are relevant for a B wave pullback, well, was triggered. The price reacted. We have a range of fibs, 4 Fibonacci levels to watch for this B wave pullback. At 1, we should see a reaction that sticks. Okay, so ideally we want a turnaround there. Can I promise you it's going to be here? No. I mean, the move up is not clearly like a 5-wave move, but I suggested to you yesterday that it could be wave 1 as maybe a leading diagonal, then a wave 2 pullback. The pullback is in 3 waves at the moment. Therefore, I did already post earlier today on Discord for gold members that as long as this low is now holding, we can take the perspective that wave 3 has started. The reason is that this is now a 3-wave move down. Okay, it could get one more low, yeah, but then it's coming down quite deep already. If we measure the fibs, we are already at the 78.6 fib level. For a wave 2, that should be it. If we break below today's low, which was formed at 163, this would increase the odds that we're actually still within the B wave. So if this initial 1-2 setup fails, yeah, we are likely still in the B wave. That would not increase probabilities for the yellow count yet, because we are still in the orange support region, relevant for the orange wave count. At the moment, we're just exploring if the B wave already bottomed, which is possible. Downside looks technically complete, yeah. Even though also here it's a WXY pattern to the downside, so not very trustworthy. If a third wave starts from here, it should take us to round about, I'm looking for the 1.38 extension at least. $181, yeah. This is actually a little bit too high, but we'll see where it takes us. they can always extend. They can always extend. So maybe more like that. 4. So, and let's first see if this support level holds. Obviously, we haven't confirmed it. So it takes minimally a break above the last high at $171 pretty much to suggest, yep, we've bottomed. And then a break above 174, the wave 1 high, would give further clarity. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.